Well, YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Venture Biker. I'm using a different camera today. I'm using the GoPro Hero 10. Just, I felt bad, I've only used it in a while. So, oh, no, I went the wrong way there. So I was in seeing AMR there, down in Hillington. Asked them a few questions about the cove. There's Harley Davidson. No, my cup of tea. Oh, the Harleys, look. Yeah, I was doing seeing AMR, talking to them about the CF Moto, the Vogue or Vogue, whatever you want to call it. I was asking about the cove to see if they've thinking about starting dealing coves. The answer was kind of no. So it's quite strange because speaking to a lot of dealers, none of the dealers know about the cove. I think it's a cracking looking bike. Cracking. I might be even considering getting one. So yeah, just to go into a wee bit further. So when I spoke to AMR about the Cove 800X Rally, they didn't really know anything about that bike or even the brand. They had to actually Google it. But as I says, I don't think it's going to be any time soon there's going to be a Cove dealer in Scotland, which is unfortunate because I really like the bike. If I was to choose between that and a Tenere 700, I think I would go with it. Yeah, so just coming through Hillington. So I kind of got the idea for Scottish Biker Abroad. He's going to speak to his dealer and maybe start doing some test rides and test runs on CF Moto 450s and stuff. I'm maybe going to ask AMR if I can do it. I never asked him when I was in the shop. I'm going to drop him an email, I think. I think I'm going to do that next year, do a bit more test drive videos and reviews and stuff on bikes. They seem to do pretty well. They seem to do pretty well, videos. I did one on the, obviously if you've seen it, I did one on the Yamaha Tenere World Raid, did one on the Rally, did one on the V-Storm 650. Did one on the V-Storm Strict 50. Don't know. So it'd be good to do a couple of other ones. Diversify the channel. So that's a lot of things. I was talking to Scottish Biker Abroad. It's coming up to winter. I'm probably not going to get out as much. Or it might not be worth recording when I do go out. So I'm thinking about re-editing all the Budapest videos. And even some of the other ones that are over like half an hour long and stuff. I'm thinking about just re-editing them in like 15 minutes.
posting them back up over the winter period. I may be going back to doing what I did before, have a main video going up on a Wednesday, and then another video going up maybe on a Sunday, maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of liking this wee setup. I think I actually stole that off of my brother Stevie. Fucking crossers, man. I stole it off of my brother Stevie and attached it to my bar. I think that's where it came from, or I don't know if it came from. I don't know if it actually came with my selfie stick and all that. I don't know. I don't have a clue.
So, since recording this video, I've been into MCS Scotland in Kilmarnock. Spoke to the guys in there. I could potentially be test riding the V-Strom range. So that's the V-Strom 800RE, the DE and the 1050 DE. Also could be test riding the Suzuki DRZ 450 as well, which has just been re-released. So if you're in the area on November the 1st, stick your head into MCS. They're having an open night. So yeah, come along. I'll be there. Grab yourself a sticker and have a wee look at the Suzuki range that they're offering. So that's MCS Scotland in Kilmarnock. Said I'll stick a link in the description below. Pop your head in if you're in the area. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. This is me going through Paisley now. But I just thought I'd let you know about the next 3 videos that are coming up on YouTube. So the music that comes into the footage is AI generated, and the person who did it for me, and he'll remain nameless, had wrote on before the music was actually made. He'd wrote on it different styles of music that he could do and generate for me, and it just so happens that he left it in, and it's now part of the music. I only kind of noticed this recently, and since then I've deleted out the actual original footage, so I can't re-edit it. So it's going to go live the way it is. I think it's quite funny, but I just thought I'd let you know. As I said, hope you're enjoying the video. Please like, subscribe and share. There's quite a few of you that are watching the videos that are not subscribed, so if you fancy, just subscribe to it. Don't need to do the notification thing. It's all good.
Turned out to be a really nice day today. man's budgies did.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. All the links that I've mentioned, MCS stuff, will be in the description. Please go and check out their website, and if you're available on the 1st of November, pop in, have a look at the Suzuki range. Stay rubber side down, and remember, take life one mile at a time. Catch you later.